Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how you can make this delicious noodle dish. So for this recipe I use chicken breast, sweet soy sauce, tomato paste, soy sauce, garlic, shrimp paste, shallots, celery, stalk cubes, oil, ginger, galangal powder, spice mix, and Bami noodles. Start with cooking the noodles according to the instruction on the packaging, and when it's done, set it aside. Crumble a bouillon cube in a pot of water, give it a stir, and put the chicken breast in it. Boil the chicken until it's fully cooked, and cut the chicken. Cut the shallots, garlic, and celery. Heat some oil over medium to high heat and cook the shallots for about 5 to 8 minutes or until they look like this. Add the garlic and cook it along for a minute or two before grating in the garlic. Add tomato paste, mix it with the onions and cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes. Add the dried spices and mix it in. Then add the different soy sauces and the shrimp paste. To get enough sauce for the chicken and noodles, add some water. Add the chicken and mix it in the sauce. And don't forget to add a bouillon cube, but you can also use regular salt. I'm adding a little bit more water because I'll need a little bit more for the noodles. Now add the noodles and mix it. And to finish with a pop of color and some extra flavor, add the chopped celery leaves. And that is how simple it is. If you are still here, let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite noodle dish is, and you might as well check out this playlist with delicious stir-fry recipe videos, or you might like this video. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.